Good morning everyone, I hope your Sunday is going well. So my partner asked me if I could make a sweet chili chicken pasta. Obviously I've never made this before, so I figured why not, let's give it a go. So I've got here some grated cheese. We have, how many grams is that? 950 gram of chicken breast fillet. We've got some red and green peppers. Obviously I haven't measured this out. I've got some black pepper, some garlic granules. We have some sweet chili, big bowl of pasta, some soft cheese, some tomato puree. In this little tub is a little bit of paprika, and I bought some diced onions because I'm not cutting onions up, I don't like it. So anyway, that's the intro out of the way. So we're going to be doing some sweet chili chicken pasta. So firstly we're going to add 100 grams of the soft cheese. Then we are going to add a whole load of pasta. I didn't measure that out, so I don't know what that is. And then in here we have some grated cheese. I think I just burst the bag. Let's get that in there. I think that should be enough. No measurements needed, it says. And then we're going to add some tomato puree. Let's get that in there. Oh, lovely. Again, I don't know measurements on that. And then we will stick in some sweet chili sauce. No measurements needed. And then the last thing to do is the chicken stock, but obviously we will get the chicken stock prepared and then get it boiling over a high heat, and I will come back to you when we have started that. So we grab ourselves a big pan, get your veg in there, grab your chicken, whack some chicken in there. Then we're going to throw in a bit of seasoning, so I'm going to start with some black pepper, because I like black pepper. Chuck in some garlic. Now you can either spoon this in or do it to taste. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit over the top. I would probably recommend maybe 1 teaspoon. A little bit of sprinkling of garlic. Get some paprika. I'm going to sprinkle some paprika into this. Now you can use cayenne pepper, but I don't really like that so much, so I'm going to use some paprika all over. Nice bit of flavour, nice bit of spice. Then once this is up and running and cooking fully, just give that a mix around. Okay, that looks lovely already. A nice mix. Oh no, my chicken's escaped. Okay. Right, I'll save that bit for later. I'm joking, I'll bin it. Anyone getting a bit arsey over that. I'll let that just batter in there, and then on this pot where we did as pasta earlier, we'll make sure that ring is on. And we're going to take our chicken stock. We're just going to fire our chicken stock in there. Probably need a couple, so here's one I prepared earlier. And get that nice and bubbling up. Get me a spoon, give that a mix. You want to cook the pasta on high heat. This is the first time I've made it, so I've absolutely no idea how long it's going to take, but if you check back in with us once it's all started to cook, and then we'll fill you in. And after about half an hour, this is how it has ended up. And this is Sweet Chilli Chicken Pasta. So after we did the veg and the chicken, it took about 20 minutes on a high heat and then 10 minutes on low. I will try and get the actual measurements in the description of the video. So once again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy, and we will let you know how this tastes. Have a good day.